My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, no be small thing oh. Two-Face family just dey run from pillar to post, from one place to the other. At this point, they are looking for help for where help no even dey. My people, wonders dey say it shall never end oh. Na im be say person go continue to dey pray say for this life, God abeg, give me all it takes. Make people wey don come mock me before, wey don come look down on me, wey don say things about me, make dem later come back come dey beg on their knees for a particular thing from my hand wey be say I no even fit give dem the answer to. My people, no be small thing oh. Two-Face family don dey look for who dey go meet wey go talk to Annie for dem, because dey now believe maybe after their waka from one place to the other, anywhere wey dem go, dem dey tell dem say dey need Annie to fit capture Two-Face from Natasha's hand, because they needed somebody that has been, wey don pass through that road before, to fit take get to Two-Face. Because even at this point, no be person wey una see na una go petition say una wan capture am. No be person wey una see na una go drag come house. Two-Face and im family, dem no even see the Two-Face himself, not to come talk of the Natasha, before they go know whether they dey petition her or they no dey petition her. Omo, at this point, even the family, they are confused. They don't even know what to do or where to start from. Now they come dey run go find who go help them talk to Annie, who Annie respect so much, and who Annie go listen to if the person call on Annie. My people, make una come guess who Two-Face family stoop so low to go meet take talk to Annie, knowing fully well that this person was not in the picture when Annie was with their brother, when they humiliated Annie, ridiculed her, making her look stupid before her very self on this Obasanjo cyberspace. This person wey dey run go meet now, he was not there. My people, I say this Two-Face and Natasha matter, e don dey become bone for Two-Face family neck. E never reach like this. Na im dem come call Annie plenty names. Now wey e don be, I wonder wetin they go call Natasha. Before I go enter into the main cocoa of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real G's. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small matter dey ground o. Now Two-Face family don dey go after people that are close to Annie Macaulay, to beg her to please come make them join hand get Two-Face back on his feet. Say Two-Face is no longer in an ordinary hand, say e dey under a spell. Now the question is, if Two-Face is under a spell, is Annie Macaulay a prophet or a pastor or a soothsayer that can deliver Two-Face from that spell wey una say Two-Face dey inside? Because I no fit still understand till now. I am still in awe according to English language. Now, who Two-Face family come go dey call concerning this matter? They go dey call Swanky Jerry, wey be Annie Macaulay best friend. Una know say Annie Macaulay and Swanky Jerry, they went for a show in Cape Town. They have been there for like going to how many days? They finished the show on Sunday, and after that one they had another show where as in now na December wey be sey dey dey book Annie back to back. She no even get time for negative energy, not to come talk of time for herself. Na the money na im she dey after. We don dey December, dirty December, no do gbego, dirty December. So she no even dey rest from one show or the other. Na who dey trend na im dey go carry, no be sey na cho cho cho. And una know sey how media space be sey in as much as sey you don dey trend for positive reasons, dey go wan use you. Na you go dey for everybody timeline, everybody go dey book you here and there. So Annie has moved from Cape Town to another place where she is having another show this very weekend starting from on Friday tomorrow. Now na there wey dem dey na im Swanky Jerry receive a call from Two-Face family. Guess who? Two-Face brother. E say that he collected Swanky's number from one of his friend that Swanky have. So for before, una know sey Swanky na tailor na im be, na fashion designer na im Swanky be. So he is very good at what he does. So na im dey say dey collect im number from one person wey Swanky bin don sew for before. Na im Swanky say okay, he introduce himself. He come say that please he really want to talk to him concerning a thing. Na im Swanky say that him presently he is not around, that they travelled, that shebi he is aware. Na im that one say yes, he is aware that they travelled. But this thing that he want to speak about is something that seems very, very important. That he knows that Annie respects him a lot. Annie sees him as a friend that has been there. That he should please help them talk to Annie concerning this Two-Face matter. That them they are not even begging for Annie to return back to Two-Face. That they are only begging that Annie should help them recover Two-Face from the hands of the evildoer. Na im Swanky Jerry say is that why you people are now calling me? I was thinking you are calling me for something more important. Na im dey say, he say this one dey am very, very important oo. Very, very important sef. Na im say he say please, we have done Annie so many wrong. We have done so many things wrong to Annie. We know we does not even deserve Annie's pity at this point. But please help us talk to Annie. Let her help us retrieve Two-Face from the hands of Natasha. That our brother is not even where to be found. We cannot reach him ever since we wrote a petition to Natasha, and that is what she has been doing anytime the family is angry and they are after her for accountability of what is going on in their marriage. Natasha will seize him and they will not see him. This, that, 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 that. Na im dey say, Swanky say, even at this point, you people coming to tell me to talk to Annie. I cannot do that because Annie is not answerable to me. We are only friends and there are limits to what I can tell her and what she will agree to do. She's no longer a child. I believe you people should call her so that you can agree on a thing. Na im dey say the brother come talk say im bin don call Annie before, they don discuss, but Annie ended the call on him. She didn't even allow him to land. She cut the call. Na im that one come tell, na im Swanky come tell am say at this point he no get anything to talk. It's just so pitiful that they are going through all of this. But presently they traveled like you have said before. But if they go gree make them return back, by time they return, him go now know what to tell Annie. But for now, he doesn't even want to tell her anything pertaining such. He doesn't want to even let her know that he knows anything or he wants to interfere in her relationship with Two-Face family or the Two-Face himself. So for now, him no go promise them say he go talk to Annie for anything. But if they return after the show and all, he would talk to Annie concerning the matter. Being say they say no be say dem dey after the relationship, They just wanted to use Annie to retrieve Two-Face back. They wanted somebody that Two-Face once owed dearly to his heart, to his life, and that they believe that at this point it is only Annie that can help them, and that is why they are coming to her that he should please. Now I come dey ask now say, wait oh, dem be think say okay, they come meet Swanky now make e talk to Annie. They think say Annie go wan lis ten to Swanky, and what will be Swanky's gain if he accept to come talk to Annie make she go dey retrieve Two-Face? When did Annie become Nigerian police? When she go come dey go find Two-Face for where im go hide? No be Nigerian police dey go find, or people wey dey track, make dem track where Two-Face and Natasha dey, make dem go capture am, carry am go prayer house. Why dey look for Annie up and down? My people, no be small thing o. Even though Swanky say if he return he go talk to Annie, he go this, he go that, do you guys really think he should go ahead to talk to Annie concerning this matter? He should even discuss about this family matter with Annie? Because to me, I think, even though my opinion does not really count, I think he should not even bother interfering in this relationship, this family drama. Because if Annie wey dey into the family cut her call on them, like cut their call when they called her, I don't think she need them for anything. My people, abi, what do you guys think? Make una come make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble get gifted gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.